Welcome to my video playlist on LangChain RAG tutorial. I decided to create this series because the examples on the LangChain websites were not very well explained for beginners. To make these concepts more accessible, I revisited them by writing a series of articles accompanied by videos. In this series, we'll explore the powerful capabilities of LangChain's retrieval augmented generation. Whether you're a developer, data scientist, or an AI enthusiast, each video will equip you with practical insights and tools. Here are the 6 articles we'll cover. Article 1 is a quick start guide to LangChain RAG. We'll jump right in with our first tutorial covering the basics of setting up a RAG chain. Article 2 will be integrating chat history. You'll learn how to incorporate memory into your RAG model to maintain context in a chat-like conversation. Article 3 will be on implementing streaming. We'll discover how to implement streaming for real-time data processing. Article 4 will be on returning sources. We'll configure RAG to provide sources along with responses, adding transparency to the output. Article 5 will be on adding citations to automatically include citations in your results to enhance trustworthiness. And finally, Article 6, where we'll put it all together to integrate all components learned to build a comprehensive RAG application to chat with your PDF documents. Let's dive in and master LangChain RAG together. Hit play and start your learning journey now.